In this video, I will demonstrate to you how to preserve your bait using table salt. You can use squid, prawns or fish. Squid is frozen at the moment. I will allow it some time to defrost before I continue. You will need a knife, table salt, 2 containers. One container will be used to hold the bait, while the other will be used to collect any liquid that drains out of the first container. You will also need a drill to make holes in the container. Just drill some holes in the container. That should be enough. Any liquid that is collected in the first container will drain out into the second container. We then seal the container with the lid and leave it for a few days before it will be ready to use. Squid bait must be cut into manageable pieces that can fit into the container. The bait has been cut up and is ready. Place everything into the container, add salt and seal it. You can use iodized or uniodized salt. It is your preference. Add the first layer of salt followed by squid and repeat in layers until the container is full. That's the last piece. We'll cover it up with salt and shut the lid. Leave it for a few days and come back and replace with fresh salt. It has been 2 days. I will remove the squid and replace the salt with fresh salt. You can see liquid has drained out from the first container and collected in the second container. Okay, let's see our squid. Let's see how our squid is doing. I'm going to replace the salt and put some fresh salt in there. Let's put it back into the container and seal it with its lid. We will use it in the next video to catch some fish. Let's put it into this container again. And that should be it. It will be ready to use in a few days. Watch my next video where I will be using this bait to catch some fish.